guys, and welcome back to Living with Chanel. I am excited to share a new recipe with you today. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to cook and make great recipes, you are at the right place. Start by clicking the subscribe button to show your support and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with upcoming videos. If you like this type of content, please don't forget to give it a thumb up. I upload new videos Wednesdays and Saturdays. For this recipe, you will need frozen strawberries, grapefruits or orange, or also red wine if you want for liquid, water, sugar, and our main ingredient will be cranberries. First, I'm going to go ahead and get some zest from the grapefruit. This is going to give you the scent. Just like when you use orange or lime or lemon, whatever you want, you can just add it in there. So now I'm going to extract the juice from our grapefruit. I did not cut that all the way. So we have our grapefruit zest here. I'm gonna go ahead and add our cranberries, add the sugar, half a cup of sugar, add your liquid, in this case grapefruit juice, now I'm going to transfer this to my stove on medium heat and let the cranberries pop. It's time to add our frozen strawberries. If you want your sauce to be smooth, you can go ahead and mash it and press down on it or blend this. I don't want it to be too smooth, so I'm just gonna press down on it. It's not too sweet, it's perfect. You can taste the little bitterness of the grapefruit. It gives a good combination. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this video, and comment below what you would like to eat your cranberry sauce with. Comment below what you want to see next on this channel. Thank you. Bye bye.